Hi, in front of me is VIVO X51 and today I would like to show you how you can change keyboard theme on this device. Start by opening settings and scrolling all the way down. Then tap on System, Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard and keyboard that you're using, in my case Gboard. Go into Theme and tap on Show More to see all available options. Now you can pick a color and apply it, or download one of the images and apply it as well. As you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!